Alright, welcome to 11/12 Panini Limited Double Box Breaks. Here's your serial numbers. Here's your last auction. Here's your first box. I'll show you the next one after. Good luck. First card we have Tyler Myers, Buffalo Sabres. Second we have Matt Molson, New York Islanders. Third, Charlie Zimmer, Cleveland Barons. We'll check the last team who had that, and that's who it'll go to. Next we have James Van Riemsdyk, Jumbo Jersey, number /49. There we go. Next, we have net presents, Carey Price, Nicholas Lidstrom. That'll go to Montreal since they're on the left. And that's number /99. Next, redemption card, freshman jumbo draft position signatures, number 7. We'll find out who that is and let somebody know. Next, we have Johan Franzen, Detroit Red Wings, number /25. Here's your next pack. You can see that number. Good luck. First we have Mason Raymond, Vancouver Canucks. Second, Daniel Alfredson, Ottawa Senators. Third, we have Pat Verbeek, Hartford Whalers. Next, Craig Smith, Nashville Predators, auto rookie, number /299. Next, Ryan Miller, Jersey, Buffalo Sabres, number /299. Next, Brandon Shanahan, St. Louis Blues, patch card, number /25. And last but not least, Tyler Seguin, team trademarks, number /49. Alright, thanks for playing.